Hey, what's going on, guys? MC coming to you from MCPD, which you can't see because our big domes are in the way.
You've been seeing this for years.
Yeah.
We got something new and exciting for you.
You like this? I've got the POW, the MC, and the PD. The beautiful beer that my daughter painted, which makes me kind of a great dad.
That's kind of something you have to look at is not only are you a fantastic father of three beautiful young ladies,
Thank you.
They have fantastic artistic abilities in a
true.
realm of something that I love. I asked her how much she wanted for this, and she said my dad already gets it. Darn it!
So today we're doing a little bit of an unboxing.
This is exciting.
It's been a while since we brought on a new sponsor. They actually reached out to us.
Who doesn't? A lot of people.
Most people.
But CanvasFreaks.com.
CanvasFreaks.com.
This is cool.
Yeah, so we are actually lucky enough to have an exemplar, if you will, or if you won't, I don't care, of some of their artwork. And I picked one out unbeknownst to you, so he has no idea.
That's right. Now, I've seen these in my feeds. I've seen ads for them, and I've always thought that would look really cool in the living room. They're these triptychs. The 3 panels that add up to one picture.
I feel like
that's a thing.
I feel like you're making up words.
No. I blandly.
You want to trip the light fantastic?
Yes.
Okay.
With you? I don't know. Mary Poppins Returns. It's a fantastic movie. Lin-Manuel Miranda, a good friend of mine, who says never name drop.
Huge fan of the show.
CanvasFreaks.com does have these multi-panel photographs or representations of photographs, artwork.
Yeah.
That, I mean, hundreds of different styles.
Oh, yeah. They cover police, fire, EMS, dispatch, military, America. I mean, you could do one big thing or a bunch of
little. I like the idea of the little ones. You know, you can break it up. You can spread it out over triptychs. Trip 3.
I thought you were
texts
like Trippin' Billy's from Dave Matthews. One of my favorite Dave Matthews songs. Dave Matthews, also a big fan of the show.
Also a huge fan of the show.
Yeah. So we're gonna get to the unboxing. It is sitting right over there. So we're gonna pause the video, and through the magic of editing, we're gonna bring it right back to you. My daughter loves to do that. I don't know why.
It was the magic of editing. I was saying a bunch of stuff just then. You edited it out. The post-production is that's I mean, I don't know how we can afford it.
Well,
I know how. Because CanvasFreaks.com
helps if you say it right.
Yeah, it does.
It does.
Is helping us out by giving our audience, help me if I'm getting this right, 20% off.
20% off. That is accurate.
And free shipping.
And free
I would take either or, but we get both. Straight to you.
Off your entire order. So
wait, not just one?
No, not just one. Your entire order.
Shoot.
Yeah. That's not bad, right?
I'm heading to the website now.
There you go.
Right after we open this bad boy up, see what they sent us.
Let's do it. All right, so here we are with my handy dandy little box cutter. I'm gonna crank that sucker open, and there we go. Now I can't really see what it is. Justin's doing the fine camera work here. There we go.
Nice toss.
Thank you. Very carefully, so as not to destroy the product. And I'll tell you what, they really packaged this thing really well. Because they shipped it from, I want to say back east somewhere, and it is very well protected. A ton of bubble wrap. And, wow. Really, really nice. Each of the layers here, separated by this protected barrier. I'm going to spoil it a little bit, I think. All right, I see what's happening. Hold that thought. Hang on now. Don't get ahead of yourselves. I would say this qualifies as a boo and a yeah. So there you go with CanvasFreaks.com. This is our blue and red line flag from CanvasFreaks.com that is going to go up on the wall of our studio here at MCPD. I thought it was fitting because we are a police, fire, EMS, all that kind of good stuff podcast. I thought we should represent both sides of WYE. So there you go. We'll come back to you after we get it mounted up and show you what it looks like on the wall.
So here we are, post-installation, guys. What do you think? How's it look?
Ta-da!
that amazing?
There you go, CanvasFreaks.
CanvasFreaks.com. Wow, this is so cool.
We spent extra money for this particular effect. Are you ready? Hang on.
Hold on.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's about 5 feet across. We got a little bit of space in there. These were a lot of fun to hang. We were thinking about doing like a time lapse for you guys to show, you know, us putting it up, but we took a lot of beer breaks while we were doing it, so it wouldn't be an accurate... Through the magic of filmmaking.
Woo!
Wow! That's amazing!
CanvasFreaks.com, WYE at checkout gets you what?
20% off
there you
your
go.
entire order plus free shipping.
20% off at CanvasFreaks.com.
This is so cool. And, you know, we talked about right before we turned on the camera, blue stripe on the fire side, red stripe on the PD side. But, hey, you know what? Sometimes you got to mix it up a little bit. You got to cross over into each other's discipline.
Whoa.
See what I did there?
All right, fair enough.
So, guys, make sure you use coupon code WYE. It's right there on the chalkboard. We got a little low-tech, a little high-tech, but thank you, CanvasFreaks.com. This is awesome. You guys got to get you some of this.
Absolutely love it. And we still got the MCPD over on the side.
Oh, on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, right now we have 2 CPD.
That's true. We might have to lower
We'll
those.
adjust that.
Yeah, we'll adjust that.
Yeah, we have to adjust things because I have to sit during the show.
Go ahead. Stand for the people.
That's why. Yeah.
Stupid. I'm actually kneeling right now.
Yeah, we're...
No.
That's a whole other show.
Nope.
Whole other website.
Not going down that rabbit hole.
CanvasFreaks.com. WYE is the code. 20% off. Free shipping.
There you go.
Thank you, CanvasFreaks.
Very cool.
And thank you, WYE, for supporting awesome companies like this.
Absolutely. Go get you one because these are amazing. Go check out CanvasFreaks.com. They have a ton of different styles. Mm-hmm. So what did you call it? A tryptophan?
A triptych is a series of 3 pictures that make up one.
There's 5
so this
here.
Would be 5.
Johnny.
This would be a pentagraph.
Oh my God! Do you see what I have to deal with? Unbelievable.
Making up words.
They do have the 5 panels. They've got the 3 panels. They have single panels. All kinds of cool stuff. So check it out. CanvasFreaks.com. Thanks so much for checking out our unboxing and our badass new background. Absolutely love it. We'll see you next time.
Cheers.
4 thumbs up.
Oh!
Yeah.
If only we had a 5th for the...
Well. Oh, right.
We need another host.
Tryptophan.
It's different.
Bye, y'all.
Cheers.
Magic of beer. Wait. Ow.
Oh, the camera's on the other side now. It's on this side now.
Well,
that's right.
I can't do everything.
I can't keep track.
Okay, I can't do it. I can't do it all.
Oh, just set that over there. Here we go.
Screw you.
Yeah.